Let's break down fats in a way that's easy to understand and why they're so important for our health and performance. There are 4 types of dietary fats you can consume: monounsaturated, polyunsaturated, saturated, and trans fats. Monounsaturated are the good fats you often hear about. They have only one double bond in their structure. You'll find them in foods like olive oil, avocados, and nuts. These fats can be in 2 forms. The healthier, natural form is known as cis, whereas trans fats are less common in nature and often found in processed foods, and it's considered unhealthy. Next up, we have polyunsaturated fats, which have multiple double bonds in their structure. Like monounsaturated fats, they also come in cis and trans forms. Polyunsaturated fats include omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for your body. You can get them from fish, flax seeds, and other plant-based sources. Third is saturated fats. These have no double bonds between their carbon atoms, meaning they're saturated with hydrogen. These fats are usually solid at room temperature and include butter and fatty cuts of meat. They've gotten a bad rap, but recent research suggests that they might not be as harmful as once thought. However, they should still be eaten in moderation. Lastly, we have trans fats, which are a type of unsaturated fat that have been chemically altered to make them more stable and longer lasting in processed foods. However, this change makes the fat structure unhealthy. As a result, trans fats are linked to heart disease and should be avoided as much as possible. Now let's look at essential fats. Essential fats are crucial for our health. Just like we need essential amino acids from protein, we need essential fats, also known as essential fatty acids. Our bodies can't make them, so we must get them from food. As mentioned previously, these fats come from omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain function, inflammation control, and overall health. If you don't get enough of these fats, especially omega-3, you risk serious health issues. For example, fats help your body absorb vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Without enough fat, your body can't process these nutrients properly. Fats also play a key role in hormone production, and low-fat intake can mess with your hormone levels. So what about fats and performance? While fats are vital for many processes in the body, they aren't the best source of energy for high-intensity activities. For endurance sports like ultramarathons, some athletes use a low-carb, high-fat diet, like the ketogenic diet, to fuel their bodies, since fat can be a steady energy source for slow, long efforts. But even in these cases, carbs still play a big role, especially for energy bursts or when the body needs quick fuel. When it comes to most sports, carbs are the best fuel for performance. They power your muscles, and they're the go-to fuel for your nervous system, which is essential for coordination and focus. That's why, even though fats are important, carbohydrates should be prioritized in your diet for peak performance. So how much fat should you eat? When you're dieting, aim for fats to make up 15 to 25% of your total calories, with a minimum of about 0.5 grams of fat per kilogram of body weight. When bulking, your fat intake should range from 20 to 30% of your total calories, again with the minimum of 0.5 grams per kilogram. If you prefer, you can even go as high as 40% of your total calories from fats, whether you're cutting or bulking. In summary, while fats are an essential part of your diet, it's important to balance them with carbohydrates to fuel your body and brain for peak performance. Eating the right fats helps your body function well, supports hormone production, and ensures you absorb key nutrients. Just make sure you're getting the right types. As a guide, get most of your daily fats from monounsaturated sources. Take in enough omega-3, be moderate with saturated fats, and avoid most trans fats in your regular diet. Lastly, thank you for watching my video. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any updates.